Using find and replace in AutoCAD. This command you can just type find. So what do we want to find? So you need to select what you need to find. I want to find all this text, and this text represent all these beams, and I want to replace them with 4x10s because I have changed my material. I will type find, select find, paste what I want to find and what I want to replace with 4x10, then replace on 99 matches found, 99 objects replaced. Done. I have changed the material for these beams and therefore the size has changed. So I want to replace all these by beam 3, which is beam 2, which is 6x16. I will select all. First, copy what I want to replace, so that type find, hit enter, then paste what I want to find and what I want to replace with 6x16. Replace all. Okay. So the next we want to find and replace all these by beam 3, 4x16. Copy, type find, hit enter, paste what you want to find and what you want to replace with 4x16, and then replace all. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.